today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more interactive and engaging for your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Elementor to overlay text on images effectively. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page you wish to edit with Elementor. Once you're there, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor page builder, which will allow us to make the necessary changes with ease. Once you're in the Elementor interface, you'll see a plus icon right in the middle of the page. Clicking this will allow you to add a new section. Now, simply select the structure you prefer for text over an image. A single column layout often works best. With your new section in place, look to the widget panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to find the Image widget. Simply drag and drop this widget into your new section. Upon doing this, you'll see a placeholder image appear, but don't worry, we can change it to one of your own. Click on the image and then select Choose Image. This opens your media library where you can either select an existing image or upload a new one. Make sure to select or upload the image you want your text to appear over. Don't forget to hit the Insert Media button once you've made your selection. At this point, we want to overlay our text onto this image. Head back to the widget panel and search for the Heading widget. Just like before, drag and drop the Heading widget right over the image. Now you'll see a placeholder text appear over your chosen picture. After dropping the Heading widget, click on it to edit the text. You can type in whatever message, title, or phrase you desire for this section. You might also want to make some stylistic changes. On the left panel, under the Style tab, you can adjust your text's typography, color, and alignment to ensure it stands out against your image. Remember, the key here is contrast. You want your text to be readable. So, if your image is dark, go for a light-colored font, and vice versa. You can also use background overlays if needed to further enhance readability. Go back to the section setting, open the Style tab again, and play with the background overlay options until you get the perfect blend of visibility for your text. If everything looks good, remember to save your work. Click the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Congratulations! You can now preview your page to ensure everything appears just as you intended. Once you're satisfied, your text over image design will be live for all to see. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and text to see what suits your design best. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating!